When layouting a PCB, the describing text of objects or silkscreen comes from the library settings. In the library, you define the size and the position of such text. But when you place the library parts, you may want to rotate or mirror the components, and the text might overlap or becomes unreadable. The manual cleanup of text formatting may take a while. The Flowware module LabelTune helps you to clean up the text more efficient directly within the PCB editor. With LabelTune, you can optimize the text settings with just one mouse click. Rotate Text will rotate the text so that it is readable horizontally or from one specified side. After starting LabelTune with the Execute button, each part will be optimized with just one click. Center Text will center the text within the component outline. If you want to change the settings for centering, rotation, and font size in one step automatically, please select all options. All settings will apply to the selected part. If you want to change more than only one component at a time, draw an area over all parts you want to change. In the Advanced tab, you can specify your detailed settings. For example, if the text on the top should be readable from the right and the text on the bottom readable from the left side, please enter the values 0, 90 and 270 degrees. Center text can be fine-tuned with an offset for better readability. Font sizes can be set as a minimum and maximum value, and the margin between text and outline will limit the maximum size as well. The settings may vary from PCB to PCB. With components which are not placed in a rectangular way, the readability is still required, from one side or from the horizontal way. The text rotation will be adjusted accordingly. If you have questions on this Flowware module, please don't hesitate to contact your local sales representative for ORCAD or Allegro products.